All right, so before I continue on, I want to show you some of the beautiful laces that Karen Stansel sent me, and I am excited to show you this. Beautiful laces in his box. So let me show you everything, because there's so much. First of all, let me show you this she got for me, because the shipping to Canada was so ridiculous, and she got me my favoriteest trim of all time, is this GIMP trim. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So I got it in an array of colors. Just look at my purple. Look at the purple one. It's just so stunning. So we've got a lot of colors here, and I might trim it, the box in the pink. Let's have a look-see and see how that'll look. Trimmed after we put some lace on it. Oh my gosh, that's going to be gorgeous. Look at, yes. Alright, so I'm going to continue to let that dry. Now, I don't know if you guys remember me telling you, but she was cutting up a shirt that she got for $2 that was all full of appliques. It looks like it was a crochet shirt. And she cut all these pieces out. I mean, they have to be fussy cut it out more, but look at all the beautiful appliques. Like, this shirt was just, you can use the trim here, you can use every little ounce of this applique. This was a gorgeous shirt. Look at this piece. She sent me lots. Oh my gosh, I love that. All kinds of little flowers. Of course, she told me, Ruby Lockwood, you can trim them up. So I have no problem to do that. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. That's the right way. That is just so beautiful. And look at this one. Oh my God. This one's gorgeous. So there's lots of little flowers. This is the right way here. Oh, Karen, 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 these are gorgeous. Thank you so much for these, Karen. All right. Now, these are flippin' stunning. She made all of these. And I need to show you these. These are, I'm even going to use one on my box, especially this pink. Look at these bows that she made. Oh my God, she's even got them in gold trim. Wow, rose gold. Pearls. Oh my goodness. I might even put one on the box here. Look at how pretty. I think I'm going to leave that one out. And I'm going to use these inside my album. Look at these beautiful tags she made with Diamante. Like, look. Look at how pretty, guys. Oh, these are so gorgeous. I just love how she done the double and put the Diamante chain all around it. And all the pearl, flat back pearl trim. These are just stunning. I'm actually going to leave these out because there's a lot of pink in there that I can use. And some more. Look at this precious little pink one. Hey, I like that one too. I don't know. Maybe we'll do a double bow. No, you can't do two. Oh, but I want to. Oh my gosh, these are so darn cute. Oh, wow. And she made all of these flowers, including the cottage rose. Look at this. Unbelievable. She made all of these. I'm going to be using all of these flowers in my album. She even made one on a paper clip. And that's a great idea. I'm going to take these and put them on paper clips inside of the mini album for embellishments. So there's some more pink. I want to keep all these together. I might even use those blue. There's some blue in it? I can't remember. I think it does. And some more really pretty ones. She even left me a couple to put together. These are masculine ones with soccer ball. Look at this. Aren't those cute? The little soccer balls. So adorable. I love these blue ones. Oh my word. These are just stunning. She made me lots of blue ones. Look at these. And she made the flowers. Just wow, Karen. Oh, I love the gold pearl ones. Oh my God, Karen, I need the link to these gold pearls. Some have blue little diamonds. Wow. These are just stunning. So she's been a busybody making bows with her new bow maker, which she absolutely loves. So I'm going to put this one to the side. And then she sent me this. Is this not stunning? Oh my gosh. This is beautiful trim. Absolutely love this. So sparkly. Isn't that gorgeous? Don't be jelly, guys. Don't be jelly. Then she sent one second. I need to. This bag is huge. And just need to do a bit of trimming here. Alright, I wanted to open those so I can show them. Look at this gorgeous trim. She sent me this. She sent me a lot of this beautiful pink trim. I love this trim. Oh my God. This might even look good around the box with the gingham or gimp or whatever you call this stuff inside of it. Look at how pretty that would look. That would be adorable. So, she sent me lots of that. And she sent me this nice ruffle trim. Oops, there's a little baby flower. This is really pretty. Because I don't have a whole lot of ruffle trim. Oh no, these all come unraveled. Oh my God, I remember I ordered trim and I think I got some of this stuff and I never realized when I ordered it how small it really was. So she just had my heart on her sleeve because this is just stunning. I don't know, I might put this around the edge of my box. I'm just going to quickly ravel it back up before it gets all crinkly and wrinkly. We don't want that to happen. And I am going to be doing a video, and there's this piece here, on how I store my trim, because I came up with a good idea how to make some, what do you call it? Look at this. This is a really pretty coral color, pink and white. Bobbins on how to make bobbins for lace, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do all that. Look at this. This is just stunning lace. I love this. Yeah, my lace is a huge mess and I need to clean it up. I have a lot that have just pieces, that I just have small pieces left that will go in a separate bin. This is super pretty and super, super soft. I can't even tell you how soft this lace is. but it's very, very soft, very silky. This is gorgeous. This is flipping gorgeous. The color. Look at the color, the mint green. It's just so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my God. You can use each one of these separately too. That is gorgeous. This is really cute too. I love this. Look, I've never seen anything like this. Beautiful. And some more of this kind. I had some of this before, but I've really run out of it. I love it. I love the crisscrossing in the middle. This is beautiful too. Oh my God. I love this. So pretty. Of course she sent me some dangle trim. She's just so sweet. Look at this dangle trim. I love this too. And you know, you can use each piece individually. That's what I like about this. And some of this really pretty flowery trim. I love this. So I'm sure it goes this way, standing up. See? Isn't that cute? So adorable. I did put all these back in here nicely. That one too. Nice thin trim. I love thin trim. I really do, especially for long page edges and, you know, edges of your book. This one's gorgeous. Love the pattern on this one. Very dainty, delicate. And she made this trim here. This one here, she added the pearls to this flapped lace. Look at that. This is pretty. She already did all the work. I just have to glue it down. And this is my favoriteest trim. I need to find some more of this, Karen, in white too, in pink, if you can. Link me that. She sent me lots of that. And this green trim here. Look at this. How pretty is that? She sent me the whole package. There's probably like 20 yards there. Or 10. There's a lot. Look at this. Isn't this precious? And of course some of this. This is super soft and silky, and it's a little bit stretchy, so that's really nice for going around corners. This got stretch in it. And I absolutely love, love, love this trim. Oh my word, Becky, look at this. This is gorgeous. So thank you, Karen. Honestly, I'm going to show you guys. I'm even going to give you the file for your scan and cut to print out, cut out a whole bunch of bobbins. And we're going to get some lace organized here this week. I think I'll sit in the living room while I'm sitting with Miku, and I'll get some laces organized. I really need to get it done, guys. I really do. When I'm looking for a piece of lace, I am literally ripping my bucket apart to find lace. Oh, and these are some wood pieces. Look at these cute hangers, guys. Aren't these adorable? These are wood chip pieces. This is a little teapot and a mug. And these are just like corners. So pretty. And some little wooden tags. These are beautiful. So thank you so much, Karen. Now, let's put all this stuff right here, because I will be using it. And I want it close to my reach. And then I'll show you the laces I ordered, not realizing how small they were. And they were small. So there's this one, which is just a plain cotton one. There's this one. Oh, those are the keys. Look at how tiny. I love this. This is perfect for mini albums. And then there's this one that's super tiny. Look at these little flowers. They're so cute. Yeah. And there's some more of that trim that Karen sent me. And this one's pretty too. Oh my goodness, this one's gorgeous. Love it. And then there's this one. So cute. And all of this stuff came all bunched together, thrown in a bag. And this here one is the same as the other one. No, yeah, it is. I don't know why I have two pieces of it. And then I have just this piece here. So these were all super small trims. Super cute. And they came from China. And just set them off to the side there. And then these are those little keys that I ordered, little key charms. In a, I think this is antique copper. In an antique copper, and believe me, they're tiny. They're super tiny. Oh, and look, super bent. Ain't that pretty? There we go. Just probably got bent in the mail. So yeah, these are super tiny keys. But they are cute. They're great for charms to hang off of your mini albums, or you can use them in your junk journals. Alright, drink a coffee. And let's get back at her. Now, I did find some lace that I wanted to use. Uh-oh. Where'd I put it? Oh, did I stick it back in Karen's bag? It was my own lace, and I probably did. I don't know if I did or not. Hang on.